Hey guys, John81 here, and today I know Jam got new update and happy April Fool's Day. Okay, pet. Yeah, new pets. Come to Jamal, these adorable, wide-eyed pets are excited to see all of Jamal. I stood up to yours today. Okay, yeah. April Fool's Day, yeah! April Fool's Party. I went to the Fool's Party the weekend before we had a New York. Okay, yeah, for sale, yeah. How come here stone? And the hairstones, most mystical stones that make it possible for animals to live in Jamal. They have been sending us letters from their special languages. The alphas found the falcon here soon. Oh yeah, the alphas are bringing the Houston. Falcons will soon come to Jamal. Yeah. To help making gifting and trading even better, you can use keywords for siege for items you want to trade. Yay! Did you know that Jammers can now recycle multiple items at once? Oh, cool! Yeah. Traveling deer, like many deer in the wild, the deer of Jamal love to play in the snow. Now that it's springtime, the deer of Jamal have decided to go traveling. What? On April, Jamal the deer will still be able to play as any deer that you already have, but you only have 2 weeks to become a deer before they begin their troubles. Oh my god, I want to get the ear. Little gift card bonus. Pet Hippo. You can get your very own Pet Hippo and exclusive Hippo items for free. We reading Animal Jam Rental gift card visit animaljam.com gift cards. See where retail gift cards are evil near you. Okay. No, thank you. I really don't want that. You. What the hell? Oh, here. Troubling. Now I can't buy one. Seriously, again? No. Dear. Am I? Oh. I don't have deer. Okay, I will buy one. Yeah, yo. I don't like deers, but I want to get one. Okay, the name. I really don't care. Dancing. Zenny, what the? Bouncing Arctic Lady. Lily. Yeah, Lily. Bouncing Arctic Lily. Or Lily. I really don't care, but now I have a deer. Lolly, loyalty. Loading. Wait. Come on. Dude, just load this. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so, let's see. Oh my gosh, sorry. But stop biting me. This is cool. Here. And sorry guys, I want to tell you something, but I'm quitting Animal Jam. I can't play it because I got hacked and everyone, I don't have anything right now, and my membership will go on everything. I don't have anything, right? And sorry, but I will quit Animal Jam. April Fool's Day. Okay, this is not really funny, but April Fool's Day, April Fool's Day. I'm not quitting Animal Jam. 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 Not. No. Oh, this is good. I'm a deer. Yo, yo. April Fool's party. Let's go to April Fool's party. LOL. Let's see what I have. Oh, this is very cool. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment if you want. Bye!